Log on to news12.com. Let us know.
That's an interesting question. Matt, how would you answer that?
Well, the first two already won World Series.
Okay.
So let's see what this team does, and then I will reevaluate that statement. If I had to pick now, I'd probably go 86. Let's take a look at your hyperlocal forecast, and we begin in Kansas City, where the Mets are about to face the Kansas City Royals in a couple of hours there. They did have a heavier downpour over the past little while, but things are tapering off now. Just notice down to the south and the west of Kansas City, really some drying out of those showers, and they will get the game in just fine. Maybe a passing sprinkle left over. Temperatures in the mid-50s. Just noticing some clouds as we go throughout the game there in Kansas City throughout the nighttime hours. But closer to home, notice the clouds all across the island. We are dry for right now, but we have plenty of rain down to our south and west. So here's what's coming up over the next couple of days. Overnight, we see those cloudy skies around. Yes, it will get a little bit on that chillier side, but not nearly as cold as it was last night. Mostly some mid and upper 40s, even a few spots, especially near Nassau County, right around that 50-degree mark for the overnight hours. Throughout the day tomorrow, we'll see rain heavy at times. We're still thinking about 1 to 2 inches of rain into early on Thursday morning. And it's not just the rain. Some gusty winds to around 30 miles an hour or so sustained out of the east-southeast at 10 to 20. Again, some coastal flooding concerns too during the times of high tide. End of the week, we dry things out on Thursday. Thursday afternoon, we start to see some sunshine across the island. But what about Halloween and into November? Well, we'll talk much more about that in your full hyperlocal 7-day forecast coming up in just a few minutes.
Okay, thank you, Matt.